You'll have to keep the beat without me, Mrs. Neutron. I'm gonna put some food in my tum-tum.
Okay, Carl.
Dang, the hyenas got here first. Drop those socks if you want to keep that arm. Dang it, that's not right. Jimmy!
Pipe down, Carl. You're ruining everyone's good time.
Yeah, you call this a smorgasbord, Jimmy? It's pans and hot water.
Maybe if you didn't take 5 trips, there'd be some food left for the other patrons.
Hold on, suddenly there's a limit for old Carl.
We need to get something straight. The free buffet is a courtesy, not a right.
Don't get attitude with me, Jimmy. We got history. I was here back when all you had was an old tetherball pole and Suzette. I tipped the first dollar this bar ever saw.